everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a collab for you. This is another collab in our holiday series with Amanda and Nona, and I'm going to have those gorgeous ladies listed down below if you want to go check them out, and I highly recommend that you do because they're awesome, and it's kind of fun to see what different looks that we can come up with using the same colors. Our color scheme is obviously for Christmas. It is red, gold, and green, and I did mine probably a little bit different because I've seen a lot of people put red and green like on their upper eye, like on their eyelid, and I decided I didn't want to do that. I think when I do reds and greens together, and I've done them before for holidays, I don't know if it's just because of my technique or what, but it tends to muddy together and I don't like that look. So I opted to go with the gold over my lid, the reds, two different types of red on like my crease and to blow that out, and then the green on my lower lash line and to set my eyeliner. I enjoyed this look so much. When I sat down to do this, I didn't know what I was doing. I had no idea what I was doing. I just I was like, let's just wing this. Let's do it. And I'm kind of glad we did because, you know, you just never know. With me, I never have a plan. When I sit down and turn the camera on, I never have a plan, ever. Like, I fly by the seat of my pants. It's just what I do best. And yeah, that's that. So if you want to see how I got this look, it's coming right up. Okay, here goes nothing. I am going to take my fingerless gloves off. I'm freezing, which is why I have my scarf on and my little jingle bells. I don't know what I'm doing with this look yet, so whatever my intro is, that's the look that I was doing. So I'm just going to kind of wing this. I just pulled out some reds and some greens, and yeah, I'm going to go for it. I have already primed my eyes, and I think I'm going to work with the Coastal Scents 88 palette because it has lots of reds and lots of greens in here. I'm a little bit scared, but you know, what are you going to do? Yes, I look a little crazy like this. I get that, but what you going to do? All right, I'm going to take this dog hair off of my lip gloss right here, and let's get into it. I don't even know where to start, to be quite honest with you. Wow. Do I do a primarily red or primarily green? I don't know. And I can ask you guys, but this isn't live, so even if you told me, I couldn't hear you. All right, I'm just going to do it. I'm going to delve into this. I've got my mirror right here that I am working with, and if it looks horrible, then, you know. These are not colors I would normally put on my eyes, so we're just going to go for it. I am going to take this shade right here. If you guys have numbered and lettered like I did, this is going to be B9. It is slightly on the orange side, but I want something that's going to transition the reds pretty well, so we shall see. Hopefully the lighting works for this. My normal lights right here that I use, because I have a big mirror right here, they're like on as dim as possible, just so I don't get any shadowing, but they really don't offer a whole lot of light. So I feel like even though my face looks bright in the monitor, it doesn't in real life, which is kind of bizarre. So I am just going to kind of put this in. That is not going to work, and I'm just going to lightly dust that orange in to give me a little bit of a transition. It's almost like a nude orange, so it's, I guess, kind of like a warm nude is what it officially would be called. I don't know. I'm making stuff up as I go along. I think I'm going to go for primarily red because that's not something that I have in a project right now. And I love my greens. Y'all know I love greens. Obviously, I'm wearing a lot of green today. But I have greens in projects, and I just want... I've been wanting red lately. I don't know what's wrong with me. I've got issues. I'm going to work with this kind of like orangey red right here. Hopefully this isn't too crazy. But I've been feeling the reds. I don't know if anyone else is, but I have definitely been. I am not a red lipstick wearer. I have been craving red lipstick lately. Probably because it's the color that I do not have in any projects right now. And I think that's just more of a testament to me being bored as opposed to really wanting red. I'm just gonna kind of blend that out with a clean brush because I don't want any harsh lines. All right, I'm gonna take a deeper red, this super deep red here at the bottom, and I am going to deepen up the crease a little bit. That is dark. And then I'm going to blend it out again. Alright, I think that's mostly blended out. I have seen so many gorgeous red and green eye looks lately, and I don't want to take exactly what other people have done. Like, if you guys watch Chip, her channel is Moment with Chip. She did a gorgeous look the other day. I watched it yesterday. It was stunning. It was red and green and gold. Same color scheme, but I couldn't pull it off. One, I don't have her talent, and I don't have her gorgeous eyes. So if you haven't checked out Moment with Chip, you need to check her out. That girl is talented. I think I'm going to go over my lids with the Laura Mercier Rose Gold stick. I don't remember which one it was called. I'd have to look it up, but whatever that gold shade was in the Too Faced Rock and Roll palette, that is this one right here. I think that is the one that I'm going to use. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to go over the lid with the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Rose Gold. This one does happen to be in a project, and it's just like the perfect shade for this. All right, that is on there. That should help the gold stick a little bit. So I'm gonna have to look it up and see which. Can you hear my kids out there? They're watching the Santa Claus 2. I guess that's like the Mrs. Claus, and yeah, they're acting it out. My kids are crazy, but they are mine, so I mean that makes sense, right? And I will blend the red in a little bit more. Feeling very festive today. All right, now I am going to take a little bit of the red, the brighter red, the original, and I'm going to tap that in between the gold and the red, so it kind of blends it out a little bit more. It's almost pulling a little orange over that gold, which is funny because it pulled more pink up top. It's the hazards of red. Then I'm going to take the flip side that had the gold in it. I'm not going to put any extra on. I am just going to kind of tap that to soften that line a little bit.
I have a reindeer.
You have a reindeer? My daughter just walked in behind me and she apparently has a reindeer. All right, and then I'm going to deepen up that crease again. There she is. Yeah, that's not a reindeer, that's a moose.
A moose.
It's a Christmas. Crazy kid. Love you, cutie pie. I am, like I said, going to go back in with that deeper red and like deepen up the crease just a little bit and the outer V. This is super, super red. And then I will blend that out one more time. It looks a little crazy. It does. I will admit that. But, you know. And she's back. Oh, she gave me a kiss on my arm. You probably couldn't see it because it's out of frame. All right. Hopefully we can get this done before it gets too out of hand. I'm just going to blend this out. And I can hear her coming back. There she is.
Another color.
Nope, no more colors. Not till Mommy's done. To you too.
Oh, I'll give you more kisses.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. More kisses on my arm. My kids are so stinking cute. All right, let's do some green. I'm gonna do like a brighter green right here towards like the inner part of my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna go with something a little bit deeper as I go out. So this is super green. I'm a little scared here. I noticed that since I adjusted my camera, it autofocus is a little bit slower.
Oh, green. Oh, green.
Oh yeah, that is green.
Oh, green.
It's like a Kelly green. It's a St. Patrick's Day green.
Oh my god. I mean green.
I don't know why my eyes cross when I do that.
I mean green.
As you see, I'm getting photobombed by a 3-year-old. Hopefully my camera does not overheat. It's starting to say it is.
This arm.
Not right now, baby. Mommy's got to finish and her camera's starting to overheat. Oh, I love you.
Oh, another one.
Oh, I'm getting kisses. That is a little bit crazy. Yeah, that's like crazy green. Let me put the darker green on the outside. Yeah, it looks a little bit crazy. I'm gonna fully admit that it looks crazy, but you know, isn't that the whole point of Christmas? Crazy looks. Let me put something on my inner corners. I am going to be working with, I'm just going to put in Fabulous from the Real Her Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful. Okay, there's my red, green, and gold. I am going to put on some eyeliner and mascara, put on some lipstick, and I will be right back. Okay, this is the final look. I added black eyeliner and then I set that with the dark green that I used on the outer lower lash line. And then I just applied some mascara and I did my black Franken lip with this big Sherry, or the big color lip pencil in Sherry. Can't speak. And this is the final look. This is what I came up with. The wing got a little bit crazy, but you know, the whole look is a little bit crazy. Very festive, very Christmassy, and yeah, this was kind of what we wanted. I really, when I sat down, I had no idea what look I was going to go for. This is not something I would wear on a regular basis. No. Like the red and the gold, but not with the green. I probably would wear the green and gold, but not with the red. I know, I'm crazy. But it definitely looks very Christmassy. And hopefully I can zoom in enough that you can see the green here and the green in the, like, to set my eyeliner with. So that is a look. Definitely go check out Amanda and Nona's looks. They are going to be linked down below, and their gorgeous faces, they're going to be at the end of the video. You just click right on those, go to their channel. I really have enjoyed doing these looks with Amanda and Nona lately. They're both just wonderful people, and you should check them out. So there is going to be one other look that we are going to be doing, and I doubt this will be the last, like the next one will be the last one, because I'm sure we will do some future collabs together. Like I said, I really enjoy doing these collabs with those beautiful ladies, so I suspect we'll be doing some other ones. But again, check them out. They're down below and at the end of the video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.